AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 generally is right now at $0.005 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. AMP generally faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in an especially significant manner. AMP keeps truly descending development today in a by and large significant manner. 30 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally will be for the most part transient cost expectation for AMP, truly is AMP a wise venture, which really is genuinely critical. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the AMP specialized examination, for the most part let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations, showing how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The very complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $33,863,355,643, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $33,863,355,643, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in an especially significant manner. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing for transient in a genuinely huge manner. Right now, a truly broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a for the most part enormous manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows that 30 October 2023. In this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, basically sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for AMP, all things considered, is AMP a kind of wise speculation in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers for the most part move pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an extremely significant manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP, especially is at $0.005, down 2.27% in every practical sense, recent hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, which especially is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars. So AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path than in every practical sense. Large way. There generally are practically 42,227,702,186 essentially are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, exhibiting how AMP really faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which especially is genuinely huge. AMP value examination AMP cost examination for 30 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, truly made sense of underneath, which sort of shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really shows that 30 October 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for AMP, truly is AMP a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the AMP. Exhibiting how there generally are practically 42,227,702,186 really are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how AMP basically faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a genuinely huge manner. While AMP's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is conceivable at this reach in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid. AMP financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that the especially complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $33,863,355,643, showing how the sort of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $33,863,355,643 in an unpretentious manner. The main help level for AMP especially is at $0.005, while the very second one in every practical